Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 1.12 from page number 26 of some basic concepts of chemistry, right? So let's read this statement. If the density of methanol is 0.793 kg liter inverse, what is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molar solution? Right, so they have given you the density of methanol. Methanol means they have given you the density of CH3 OH, that is 0.793 kg liter inverse, right? So the molarity of the solution is 0.25 molar, and they are asking you to find the volume needed to make the total solution of 2.5 liter, right? So to find the volume, first of all we should know the actual mass of the methanol present in 0.25 molar. Now after that we'll find the mass of methanol which acquires the density 0.793 kg liter inverse. After that we'll apply unitary method over here and find the actual volume, right? So we'll move step by step. First of all, we'll find the actual mass of methanol present in 0.25 molar solution, right? So first of all, we'll see the formula of molarity. So molarity equal to number of moles of solute. Now here they are talking about methanol, that is solute over here. So CH3OH is taken as solute, right? Divided by a total volume of solution in liter. Let's see the given values. First, molarity is given in the question, that is 0.25 molar. Next, they have given you the volume, right? So you have to make this solution up to 2.5 liter. So I'll take volume of solution equal to 2.5 liter. Now let's see the formula. Now number of moles of solute, it is represented by small n, right? CH3OH equal to actual mass of methanol divided by molar mass of methanol. Now from this relation we can find the actual mass of methanol. I'll assume actual mass as X. Let's find the molar mass. So molar mass of methanol equal to, add the atomic masses of the elements. So atomic mass of carbon 12 gram per mole plus atomic mass of hydrogen 1 gram per mole into 3 plus atomic mass of oxygen 16 gram per mole plus atomic mass of hydrogen 1 gram per mole. So 12 plus 1 into 3, 3 plus 16 plus 1. So let's take the units common, gram per mole. 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 16, 31, 31 plus 1 equal to 32 gram per mole. Now put the values in the formula of number of moles. So NCH3OH equal to actual mass, that is X, divided by molar mass 32 gram per mole. Let's put this value in the relation of molarity, right? So molarity is 0.25 molar equal to number of moles of solute, that is X by 32 gram per mole divided by total volume of solution in liter, that is 2.5 liter, right? Now this molar can also be written as mole liter inverse. So 0.25 mole liter inverse equal to X by 32 gram per mole into 1 by 2.5 liter, right? So let's cross multiply these values. So X equal to 0.25 mole liter inverse into 32 gram per mole into 2.5 liter. So cancel this mole inverse with mole, liter inverse with liter. Now the units are gram only. So when I'll multiply 0.25 with 32 as well as 2.5, the answer is 20 gram. Now we are having the actual mass of methanol present in 0.25 molar solution. Now the next target is to check the amount of methanol that is having density 0.93 kg liter inverse. We know that density, it is represented by rho equal to 0.793 kg liter inverse, right? We know that density equal to mass upon volume, right? Now if we'll see, the volume of solution is taken as 1 liter, right? So I'll assume volume of solution equal to 1 liter, right? Now let's see the density. So density is 0.793 kg liter inverse equal to mass over 1 liter. Now mass of the solution that is having 0.793 density is 0.793 kg liter inverse into 1 liter. So I'll cancel this liter with this. So mass of the solution is equal to 0.793 kg. We'll convert this 0.793 kg into grams, because in above relation the mass of solute is taken in grams, right? So 0.793 kg, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, right? So it will be into 1000 gram. So it will be 793 grams, right? Now let's apply the unitary method over here. So you can write now 793 gram of methanol present in 1 liter of solution. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml of solution, right? Now 20 gram of methanol present in solution equal to, let's apply the unitary method. So I'll take this 1000 ml in numerator divided by 793 gram into 20 gram. Cancel this gram with this. Now 1000 into 20, that will be 20,000 divided by 793. Now units are ml only. So 20,000 divided by 793, your answer is 25.2 ml. This much volume of methanol is present in 0.25 molar when volume of the solution is taken as 2.5 liter.